Hi friends, in this video we are just going to show how to create a custom numbering on your WPS Office Word. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So in this video, I'm just going to show how to make a custom numbering option for your document. So actually, I just picked this. Everything has been selected and I just want to numbering, and right click here. You can see option called bullets and numbering, or you can also click the icon from here. So first of all, is click it. It has me a normal numbering, but you just click on the drop menu. You can see a total of 7 type of numbering, but I need a custom numbering more than this 7 type. So now the advanced option works. So just click on the more numbering option here. Then you just want to select any numbering option and click on the customize option here. Then you can see there is a numbers child. So here you can see a lot of numbers child. For example, first, second, third, or numbering by words 1, 2, 3, or first, second, or the inner 0, 0, 1 or 0, 1 or 0, 0, 1, like this, and click on the more option. There is another option for the advanced option like a text position or spacing, alignment, whatever that you want. And you can also select the font. For the font and the character spacing also can be customized using this particular advanced option. So we're just going to select as a first, second, and third, and then click on the OK option. Now you can see now it has been numbered like a first, second apple, third and fourth and fifth and sixth and so on. So I think this video perfectly useful to get a custom numbering option for your WPS Office Word or Writer. So I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about WPS Office Word, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.